Emergency I-65 Bridge Replacement. Group Suite 16. Clay Strickland, Sidney Weaver, Karsten Hood, and Zach Reed.
This wreck caused huge traffic delays for the 100,000 average cars that drive through Birmingham daily. Reroutes through the area caused even more delays, but the new bridge design has benefited society because it is so much safer and more effective than the previous version.
There were many interesting facts in this project, but two caught my attention more than others. One was that this major interstate bridge, which was located in a large, busy city, was not just removed, but upgraded and reconstructed in only 37 days by a team of designers and only a pair of contractors. Another very interesting fact involves how the whole incident occurred to begin with. While driving near the bridge, a car pulled out in front of the gasoline tanker to avoid missing its exit. As a result, the gasoline truck had to maneuver away to avoid hitting the car. This caused the truck to swerve, which ended up pushing it into a bridge support under the I-65 southbound. This crash caused 10,000 gallons of fuel to be spilled out and create a massive ball of fire.
The bridge was designed with time efficiency in mind. The designs were reviewed and approved simultaneously by a FHWA official who was on site. The design team considered several options to implement before finally deciding on the use of pre-stressed concrete over steel beams, which would have been very time-consuming to deliver and install. The concrete also ensured that such an incident couldn't happen again because concrete does not bow or sag under intense heat. Construction was forecasted to take 90 days with major incentives for early completion. Some construction innovations implemented were the use of prefabricated concrete culverts and girders.
This was significant due to the massive size of the project, as well as the fact that they were able to complete what was supposed to be a 9-month project in estimation in 37 days. Also, the decision to use pre-stressed concrete girders instead of the standard steel was a significant factor. It's also significant because the firms involved with the construction of the bridge had 50 members divided into two 12-hour shifts, meaning that they worked 24 hours around the clock. Also, the Alabama Department of Transportation and the Federal Highway Administration provided oversight for the entirety of the project day and night as well.